Hi, my name's John and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be fitting the amber warning light system to the RC four-wheel drive excavator. I bought the warning light system at the same time I bought the excavator. This is the number of the warning light beacons sit, and here's the parts you get with it. Obviously the warning light, the wiring to go into the receiver, and some heat shrink. I couldn't make up my mind where to fit it at first. I've seen them fitted sort of all over on the back of the engine housings, from the corners to the back of the cab, onto the side of the cab, but I just couldn't make up my mind where to fit it. I've just decided now that I am going to fit it to the back of the cab, just behind here. So I went into the workshop and turned up a small piece of bar, which I drilled 5mm in one end and tapped a thread 5mm on the other end. And I've decided that I'm going to drill a hole in this engine cover here and just mount it behind the cab so it's visible above the cab roof. This is the warning light fitted to the new pole that I made, and next I'm going to remove the engine cover here and then drill a 5mm hole through to take the new warning light pole. Underneath the cover plate there's a nice, I presume it's some sort of casting mark, which should be good for drilling through the centre of that and putting the nut through onto the bottom. Okay, now I'm back. I drilled the 5mm hole in the corner. It went really well, and I decided to tap a thread in there as well, just to give the pole a little bit more rigidity. I'm still going to fit the lock nut underneath, just to lock it all up, just in case it vibrates loose when using it. Okay, that's the pole fitted to the engine cover, and I just give you a quick look underneath. Just use a lock nut on there and then the wiring comes out underneath. The next thing to do is to connect the wiring from the rotating light to the control wire with a little module in. I'll nip off and do that and then come back when it's all connected. Okay, I'm back after soldering the wires up and connecting to the receiver. There's only one thing left to do, and that's fire it up. Right, I've connected the battery and the receiver, and I have changed the switching round, so now that I've got the ordinary lights come on the front and rear, and on the three-way 3-position switch I've now got the rotating light. The rotating light's got different modes. By pulling the switch down to the bottom and back up into the 3rd position, it alters the flash pattern. I've just darkened the room so you can get a better effect. and then we're back to the beginning. Thanks for watching, hope you found it useful. Please leave a comment below or ask any questions and I'll get back to you. Thanks, bye.